Good afternoon and welcome to Trade of the Day. Today's date is the 18th of September 2015. We're going to do more of a trade of the week, sort of showing the conclusion of all the trades that were taken and the results of those trades. To first start off, I want to update on the trade that I did last time, which was the Kiwi dollar longer term trade. That was the short taken at 64.05. With that particular short, we were holding it through FOMC. It did make quite a nice amount of pips, obviously. Once the trade went 50 pips positive, moved our stop loss to break even, and obviously took part of the position out, so locking in 50 pips. So we're trying to hold this in, hoping for a little bit of a better result through the FOMC. It did come back on us, came back for break even, but there's still 50 pips secured for the Kiwi dollar. Now, starting off on this week, we had Tuesday's trades, those there. Beg my pardon, Wednesday's trades there for the 16th. I've had quite a few trades trigger. The first trade was the euro dollar. So if we go to the euro dollar and we look on the Wednesday for the 16th, we can see just in here, this was the trade. We gave 1.1212 as a particular level. I will show these on the chart first, then I'll bring it to the trading floor after so you can see where the trades were published. You can see 1.1212 just here, see the market then rocketing on up. I do know some traders that took quite a few of pips off that particular level there. Then we had another level, which was the dollar Swiss. That was a level at 96.65 for the 16th. So if we have a look at that particular level in there, 96.65, we can see just in here was this particular buy zone. And you can see again market then rocketing on up in excess of sort of 40 to 50 pips there. Now there was a loser on that particular day. That was a cable. That was at 54.23. So if you look to the cable now and we go to the 16th, you can see on here this is what cable really rocketed that particular day. The level here was 54.23. And we can see, I mean, just before the zone, it did come about to about 54.17 within 5 or 6 pips of the level, and did come down its 20 pips. But if traders weren't at their screen and weren't able to get in at that particular level, then you would have got more in at this level here, and obviously didn't quite make its 20 before then going on up and being stopped. Okay, so depending on whether you were at the screen or not, that would have been stopped out, or you would have made profits off that particular trade. The next trade is a CAD. The major support level given at 31.75. So if we go to the CAD, you can see the level of 31.75 just in this particular buy zone there. As there would have been a trade a little bit overnight, or you could take in your 20 pips just there if you left it a little bit longer. Could have took 30-40 pips from that particular trade there. In terms of the news, obviously out this week was the FOMC. FOMC that didn't decide to raise rates in the end, so obviously dollar taking a little bit of a weakening from last night's news in the FOMC. So if we take that as a pips total made for the week, that was 90 pips made in that particular week for all the trades. So really good week actually. Yeah, not bad at all, especially with the volatility around sort of the FOMC. Now, in terms of showing you the trades published on the trading floor, I'll bring that up across the screen now. So firstly we had the Kiwi chart, and we can see in here, obviously you guys should know this chart as I showed this in the last video. And then, beg your pardon, the Kiwi chart just here. And you can see this was a trade given, short the Kiwi at 64.05, a 35 stop and a target of 61.20. Then to show you the trades that were given on the 16th, we'll go to these trades just here. You can see that this is a euro 12.12, the cable 54.23, and the dollar Swiss at 96.65. The particular CAD trade, the 31.75, was a major support given. Just to show you this, I'll bring this across. If we scroll down here, usually on a Monday we give major support, major resistance levels. If we scroll down to the dollar CAD, see that major support at 31.75, and clearly stated there Obviously at support you're going to buy the 20 pip stop, obviously you would have made the pips. So you can see all the analysis that's published on the trading floor. It's easy to interpret, easy to manage. It's just maybe one or two trades each day, and you'll be 90 pips up, 100 pips up for the week. Very, very nice week trading at £5 a point. It's £500. It's really, really nice money. So if you are interested in sort of what we do here and you would like to get involved, please go to our trading workshop page / consultation page on the website. Please fill in your details. Then one of the traders will get back to you as soon as they can, and I'll sort of book you in for a free consultation to showcase you sort of what we do here and see if it's going to be for your lifestyle or not. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe the video to obviously keep up to date with what we're doing. Thank you.